Recently, I got a bunch of DVDs, and I actually never owned any DVDs before, like any legit ones. But I recently got it, and I'm gonna show you how to rip it to ISO image. So you can rip any, DVD movies to ISO. It can be copyright protected, whatever it is. This one will bypass that and just rip it out, and you'll have like all your how was that, your title screens and chapters and whatever it is you can select. It's gonna be the same. It's just that you're ripping it out and there's no copyright protection in it anymore. Anyways, what tools we're gonna use? We're gonna use this program called DVD Backup. It's a command line program, and we're gonna automate this with a script that I wrote. It's actually only like 4 lines of code, so it's not that long. But this one is should be in your repositories. I'll show you some other dependencies that you need here. But how does this work is that you put in your DVD. I already put mine in here, so I'll show you where is it at here. So this one's the movie The Core, if you ever watched that. But it's on SR0 here, our device. And if I want to start this, my script is called dvdvideo2iso.sh here, right? And that's what you gotta do. It's gonna save into your current folder, so it'll read the DVD here, all right, and it'll start processing in a few minutes. So we'll wait for it here. This process can take a long time, depending on I guess your computer and your DVD speed or whatever. But it'll do that for a while. And once it's done, I don't have the video of this one, do I? I did it for another video, but you see this is the progress bar that they'll give you here when you start copying. So it'll copy like the menu, the title, different parts of the videos, and so on and so forth. Unfortunately, we don't want to wait for it to finish, so we're just gonna cancel out here. But it's gonna do that for a while. Depending on the DVD, how big the size is and whatever. Because most DVDs are, or I don't know, the one I have is like 8 gigs or something, or not 8 gigs. I mean 7 something. Usually DVDs are maybe 4 gigs. Who knows? But anyways, the one I got is like 7 gigs, so this one will take a long time. So we're gonna skip it here. So we'll cancel all that. But basically, what it does is that it'll create a folder, right? And it'll host all the empty files in there. And then after it's done, it's gonna create an ISO image of that, and it's gonna delete this folder, and you just left with an ISO. So I did this one earlier for this other movie I haven't watched yet. It's called Return to Me, and if I want to preview it, I can do. Let me mute this sound though. All right, no sound here. But if I want to watch this, I can use VLC, right, and I can open that ISO image, and you can see that this is the DVD. This is how it looks like for this movie called Return to Me. And then you can select it using VLC, like your languages, so on and so forth, scene selection, right? You get the idea. But that's what it'll look like once it's done, when you have your ISO and everything. Anything else? Oh, let me explain you the script here. Script's pretty easy. What is that? DVD, video. Like I said, it's only well, I'll show you the dependencies here. You need the DVD backup, the lib DVD read, because that one uses to read the DVDs. And if you have like copyright protection and stuff like that, you need the lib DVD CSS. And you also need CDR tools if you're on Arch. If you're on like another distribution, that might be called CDR kit. And that one is required because it has like this program called MKISOFS. So basically the first thing that it does is that I'll use the DVD backup program, and it will save it to a file. So this file here, right, I'll save it to a file, whatever the name of the movie is. And after that, it's going to use this program here, MKISOFS, and it's going to create an ISO image out of that. And once that's the ISO image is created, it will delete that folder that it created. So basically that's the whole code. It's like I said, 4 lines, really. Right, and this is one long line here. Anyways, that's the one I've been using, and it's great. I'm probably not gonna back up all my DVDs, but I just wanted to know if I could do it, and it's pretty simple. Anyways, if you still have DVDs, do you own DVDs? I don't know. I never owned one. Like I said, I barely just got it, and it was kind of like almost free, or anyways, because I was doing this Craigslist deal to get some other consoles, and the guy just threw it in like all these DVDs. So I'm like, why not? So anyways, that's how you back up DVDs, movies to ISO image. Real simple, using just a script. That'll be it for this one.